Welcome back to another vlog. I actually tried vlogging yesterday, but I woke up with a really bad stiff neck. I kept thinking it was gonna get better, but it just got worse and worse. I was so frustrated because I couldn't do anything.
Perfect. Here, put this. Put it back so you can.
Oh, yeah, that feels good.
Let's do it.
Pass me the camera on vlogging.
You little creep. What up, though? Booby's neck hurt?
No, my neck doesn't just hurt. I have a stiff neck.
Booby has a stiff neck. So, Dr. Chris is here. Have no fear. No, I'm just kidding. No, she has a really bad stiff neck. Stiff neck.
That was a little clip from how yesterday went. Today I still woke up. I still have a stiff neck, but it doesn't feel as bad as yesterday, but it's still really irritating and like it just hurts. It's even difficult to drive because like I'm like trying to like look everywhere. Oh, that's just Chris. And my neck really hurts. Wow, my seat's really high.
Oh man, yeah.
Just stop pressing it.
I suppose I gasoline here, or is that your car?
No, it's my car. I put gas and I spilled gasoline on my feet.
Oh.
And on my sandals, yeah. I do that every time that I put gas in my car. It's really annoying.
What you gotta do is, when you have a pump in there, it's gonna leak a little bit, so you take it out.
No,
and just leave it there just
I
for a
tried
little bit.
to. No, you know what I did today? I took it out, still squeezing it, and it was just. Shh.
You can start a fire that way.
You're telling me, I know. But what am I gonna do? It happened.
You're still bred in New Jersey. You know, New Jersey's the only state that you don't have to pump your gas.
It's the only one.
It was Oregon and New Jersey. Now Oregon was like, fuck it, you guys are just gonna pump your gas. Now New Jersey's like bougie. New Jersey's like,
We ain't pumping our own gas.
Not up in here.
You know what? I don't.
That's New Jersey
it.
for you.
I thought I was gonna really hate pumping my own gas, but it's really not that bad. It's only when the weather is nasty, like today, how it's raining.
Wow, you're so small, Bobby.
I know. And drive carefully, okay? And we have to do groceries. We have to clean today. We are so excited for that. I'm excited for that. I already planned how we're gonna clean, what we're gonna tackle, who's gonna do what. It's gonna be a good day. We just did groceries. We gotta put everything away. Chris is gonna do that. I'm gonna start cleaning, and then he's gonna join me in cleaning. Oh my God, you're such a strong
Alexa's just being a bitch because I fucking
Leave Alexa
I'd rather
alone.
not answer that.
Oh, she heard you. Alexa, that was Chris, not me.
I'm not sure.
Alexa, you're a whore.
Stop. Leave her alone. Don't talk to my friend like that. Come on.
How did Alexa know?
Hello. Day 2 of still looking a hot mess, but whatever. I went to Starbucks after my class and I tried, first of all, when I'm gonna try a new drink, I always get a tall just in case I don't like it. But today I was feeling bold and I was like, you know what? Give me a venti. So I got a venti ice cream latte and I got 2 extra matchas. And when I took a sip, I was like, ooh, I don't know about this. It wasn't that great, but it's actually really good and it's sweet. It tastes really good. It tastes like a sweetened green tea. It tastes like a sweetened green tea latte. Like, what am I saying? It tastes really good. You know what? Next time I'm gonna have them blended better because I just took a sip and like a chunk of the matcha powder just went in my mouth and that was not that great. So I just finished doing my makeup, but I don't have lipstick on yet because I'm gonna make a smoothie really quick. I have to head out to my salon appointment. Today's a big day. I haven't even told you guys yet. I'm really nervous. We're gonna make a smoothie, we're gonna relax, and then we're gonna head to our appointment. I'm gonna try to vlog over there. I'll ask them when I get there if I can vlog. I feel like they shouldn't have a problem, but you never know. But yeah. Hello guys, we are back from the salon. Sorry about the noise in the background. I'm making some dinner right now, but I wanted to like talk to you guys a little bit more about my hair because clearly I went lighter. First of all, I already know what you guys are thinking. Bitch, don't you always go light and then you go dark again? Listen, I know I put you guys through a lot with my hair. You know what? I've never been blonde. I want to go blonde like at least once in my life, just because like I've never done it. I don't know, I just got it in my head that I wanted to go blonde, and I know it's fall and winter and everyone goes darker for fall and winter, but I'm kind of glad I'm going lighter now because by the time summer rolls around, maybe I'll be blonde, maybe I won't, maybe I'll have dark hair again. But I just wanted to start the process, and to be honest, I'm really liking this. So basically we did, oh my god, I should check on my food, hold on. The salon is so beautiful. They are very sweet and very helpful there. I really liked my experience there, and I'm actually going back next week. So we did full like balayage all over my hair, which I've always wanted to do balayage. I feel like it's so much prettier than regular highlights. Like you can do like regular highlights, or balayage I feel like just flows a little bit better. Like I just like the little details. I really like how it turned out. I thought I was gonna want to go lighter, but I don't think I'm quite ready to go lighter, especially because I'm going to be adding tape-in extensions, and the tape-in extensions are a really nice blend of this color, and they're even lighter at the ends. So any lightness that I wanted, I'm gonna get to experience it with the tape-ins instead of having to go lighter on my own hair. Most of the lighter color is gonna be on the hair extension, so I don't have to do much to my own hair, especially the root. The roots are all mine. Like the only thing we did was like toning all of it, and like I know she applied the toner here at the roots to like neutralize the color a little bit more, but most of the work was done on the ends. This is the results of how it came out, and I really like it, and I'm excited to see how it's gonna look with hair extensions. So my hair will be a lot fuller and like the color will pop more. I think next week I'm going back again. I'm gonna get tape-ins, and I think I'm gonna have her bring the color up a little bit higher, because as you can see it's still dark here. She wanted to do it slowly so that, who is calling me? Oh my god. So I'm gonna ask her if we can bring the color up a little bit higher. What do you guys think? Like most of the lightness is on the ends. I think I want to bring the balayage up a little bit higher, like maybe up to here, and I still want to keep my dark roots, so that way like it's low maintenance. I don't have to like retouch my roots all the time. I feel like you guys are all gonna like yell at me because I always go dark anyways, but to be honest, normally the times that I go back to dark, I know it instantly. Like day one, day two, I'm like, yeah, this color's not working for me, I'm going back darker, and I go dark immediately. But this time around it feels different, and I'm really liking it. I feel like it just softens up my look a little bit. My birthday's coming up, you guys. I'm turning 30 in a couple of weeks, and I just wanted to look different. Like I just wanted to do something different and fresh for my birthday. I thought I was gonna be blonde, but I don't think I'm gonna be like full-on blonde. I'm really enjoying this. I'm gonna be like full-on balayage. I'm gonna finish making dinner now because I am so hungry. I've literally only had a smoothie today, and I'm really hungry. So let's go eat.